Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I've been getting a lot lately. Does Lunar Bank have a banking license? Before I get into that, I want to give you a little bit of background on Lunar Bank. It's a new kind of bank that's been getting a lot of attention lately. It's a digital bank that offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and loans. So, does Lunar Bank have a banking license? The answer is yes. Lunar Bank is licensed by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK. The FCA is a government agency that regulates financial services in the UK. So, what does it mean that Lunar Bank is licensed by the FCA? It means that the bank is subject to a number of rules and regulations that are designed to protect consumers. These rules and regulations include: the bank must keep customer funds safe. The bank must be able to meet its financial obligations. The bank must have adequate systems and processes in place to prevent fraud and money laundering. In addition to being licensed by the FCA, Lunar Bank is also a member of the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, FSCS. The FSCS is a government-backed scheme that protects consumers in the event of a bank failure. So, what does all of this mean for you? It means that if you choose to bank with Lunar Bank, you can be confident that your money is safe. So, there you have it. Lunar Bank is a licensed bank that is subject to a number of rules and regulations that are designed to protect consumers. If you're looking for a safe and reliable bank, Lunar Bank is a good option. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.